Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry it has been like forever since I have done a video, but I'm coming today with a brand new eyeshadow quad. I'm so excited. So this is our Warm Pinks eyeshadow quad that is brand new for summer, and it is beautiful. I've used it one time and y'all, oh my gosh, the pigment is so good. Okay, so I just kind of put them on like in order. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. But I do this darker one on the outside. And then I do this lighter one in the crease. And I do this one right on the lid. And then I kind of sweep this one just kind of around the top. And then blend it in with my highlight shade. So, but y'all will see that in just a second. So, all right, I'm going to go in with this one. That's where I'm going to put my crease color. So I've already got my eye primer on. Look at this pigment, y'all. Oh my goodness. So I'm so excited. It's June 1st. And yeah, so I am trying to get back on my schedule of weekly posting. It has just been crazy. My phone has actually been to the point where I can't even post a video because it's just been so overloaded. So I had to go through and like clean out a bunch of stuff, and I'm still working on cleaning out more stuff because if you know me in real life, you know that I am a picture hog. Like, I have to have lots of pictures, and I love pictures with everybody. I take pictures with everybody. I take pictures of everything. I take pictures of hair. I take pictures of makeup. I save stuff from Facebook. Like, Lord have mercy. Like, it's a lot. Okay, so this is the color. Now, I will tell you, if that you're not like me and you don't want a lot of like, whoa, color, then you can also tone it down. And you can put these shades with other colors as well. So let me grab another brush. I guess I should be prepared when I turn the camera on to, do makeup. Okay, so I'm taking this little brush and this color right here. And then that's the shiny one. And I just kind of put it, and I'm just pat, pat, pat. That's all I do. And then I just kind of sweep it a little bit just to kind of make sure it's blended. And then I'll put a little bit more on just for some more shimmer. So anyway, today is June 1st. I hope everyone had a fabulous Memorial Day. I did. And I'm just thankful for family and friends to be able to hang out with. And I just kind of sweep that there. And honestly, this could be the look. If I blended it a little bit more. But we're going to go in with this darker pink on the end. And it's really not that much darker than the pink that's in my crease. But it is just a little bit. Y'all, I've got enough I got tie-dye, I got leopard. I got enough patterns going today. But yeah, I'm so excited. All this new stuff I'm working on doing. I'm actually working on starting a like lifestyle beauty type blog, and I'm really excited about it. So yeah. Okay, now that's the look so far. So now I'm going to come through with this light pink right here on the end. And I don't use it as a highlight, but I do kind of just take it and blend this in a little bit. Just kind of brush it in right here on the inside a little bit. Just so, see how that brightens that up so much? That's just kind of what I do. And then I take it and just kind of sweep it across the top right here to kind of lighten that. So when I do my highlight shade, it's not such a hard line right there. Okay, so now we're done with the actual palette itself. So I'm going to go in and take my regular palette. I'm going to grab Candlelight right here. And just kind of sweep over the top right here to kind of blend it out a little bit. Candlelight's just a good shimmery, like, neutral. And if you're me, it's skin tone because I'm pasty. Which I did get to go to the pool yesterday and have some sun. So my skin was like, you're outside. What? Okay, so, and then actually I think this is really good and blended. But if you wanted to, you could just kind of come back and just kind of sweep this back through a little bit just to kind of make that color pop out a little bit. So, okay, now I'm going to go through with my eyeliner. And I'm pretty sure I have done an eyeliner demonstration for y'all. But if I haven't, here's one now. I just use our eyeliner pen. I love it. And it glides on so smooth. I really can't talk that well when I'm doing eyeliner. Okay, then I put a little bit down here. Well, I messed that up. I guess I should get my mirror, huh? That might help. And I just put it on my lash line. I don't really put it in my waterline just because of, I don't know, I just get worried about like infection or something. Okay, so, but you know, if you put in your waterline, you go ahead. Rock what you do, girl. So, I'm really excited because I'm getting my toes did today. So, yeah, I'm getting bright pink, which I like to see what color I'm getting my toes. Neon pink. Because what other color is there to put on your toes? Okay. And then I'm just taking some black eyeshadow and smudging this. This was a set we had before, but this is our black eyeshadow that we still have. So I just take it, just kind of smudge it so it sets it, you know. And then whatever's left on my brush, I just bring down here and kind of drag this a little bit. Why is my camera being so fuzzy? There we go. Focusing on all my lines. Okay. And then whatever I have left, I'm just going to put under there. And then I do my lash primer. And that just kind of keeps your mascara from flaking. It helps it to be staying on good. Gives you volume. It's just all around good stuff. Okay, now I'm going to pause this while I put my mascara on, and then I'll be right back. And I'm back with mascara. And then I'm going to put some gloss on. Some Fancy Nancy. Because your girl loves some Fancy Nancy. Okay, so there's my finished look. I like Fancy Nancy because it brings out the natural color of my lip. So it's just kind of a neutral. Because you don't want to do too much with this eye look. Alright, y'all. Well, go find me on, of course, YouTube. You're watching me. So go find me on Facebook, Victoria Tolbert. And then on Instagram and Facebook, Hair and Makeup by Victoria. And then I also have a Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant page. So, all right. Have a great day. I'll see y'all later. Bye.